I was born in a lighthouse where my mother lay. She won't wake for no shouting. I was raised by the water, by the crippling waves, and the gulls gave me my singing voice. The devil came to visit me. He said, son, I am your enemy, fear me. But it came to my surprise, I was drawn by the fire. I set off west in the springtime, before the flowers had bloomed. Frost and ice followed me. I met a lot of fine women with the small of their backs shining like the crescent moon. When the finest came to visit me, she said, son, I am your enemy, fear me. Is no surprise, I was drawn by the fire. Hey, I am looking for freedom in the wild eyes of the dancing girls. Hey, I am looking for freedom. I was told to find Jesus in a stained glass church where the light shines red like blood, and the eyes of his children were so bitterly burned that I could not stand to look at them. When he finally came to visit me, he was dressed in the rags of poverty. And it came as no surprise, it came as no surprise. Open arms of America.